明天是莉莉的生日，我不会选礼物，你帮个忙吧。
Jack， 我也不喜欢选礼物。What does Jack want to do? Please choose the best answer. The best answer is A. He wants to ask for help from someone. Lily, did you oversleep again? 嘘，帮个忙，不要告诉经理我迟到了。Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? Please choose the best answer. The best answer is C. Lily asks for help from her coworker. I have to finish this report before tonight. 帮我个忙吧，最后一次。Lily, you always say that. 前天因为帮你，我一晚上没睡觉。Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? Please choose the best answer. The best answer is A. Lily asks her friend to help her with her work. 李兰，9点你去接 Jason 吗？我太忙了，帮帮忙，你去接他吧。What does 李兰 mean? Please choose the best answer. The best answer is C. She asks someone for help.
Hello, may I help you?
I'm very upset. 我的手机丢了。我叫 Rita. What would Rita most likely say next? Please choose the best answer. The best answer is B.
Hello, may I help you?
I'm very upset. 我的手机丢了。我叫 Rita. 你能帮帮忙吗？